Hello, everyone, and greetings from Singapore. I hope you are keeping safe and well. 1 year on after COVID 19 hit us, we continue our journey of recovery, adapting to our challenging and evolving landscape.
While the COVID-19 pandemic and travel restrictions have brought physical exhibitions to a halt, we have witnessed the nimbleness and agility of the industry in adopting technology and partnering with different players in the wider ecosystem.
Thus far, we have witnessed the ushering in of a new era of exhibitions through innovation and technology as the industry embraces virtual and hybrid exhibitions.
With the pandemic accelerating digital transformation, we have witnessed how the exhibition industry reimagined how they engage and bring together the various communities digitally.
New skill sets and capabilities of the workforce will be more important than ever in ensuring that the industry is equipped and empowered to not only survive, but thrive in the new normal.
We are proud to be part of a huge ecosystem in the industry, and as a key MICE venue in Singapore, there is nothing more exciting and meaningful than to bring people and ideas together at one place. While we are unable to do so during these challenging times, there has never been a more appropriate opportunity like now for our community to collaborate so that we can emerge stronger from this together.
Online has become our lifeline and has provided the industry an opportunity to reinvent how we use technology such as AI to connect and build community, not just in Singapore, but around the world.
The spirit of resilience and agility of the industry has enabled and empowered us to fulfill our purpose of rebuilding and reconnecting communities, not just in Singapore, but the world over.
People are at the heart of exhibitions, and there is no doubt they will continue to be even as the industry embraces the new world of virtual and hybrid events.
We look forward to the day where we can see everyone face to face again. I would like to wish everyone Happy Global Exhibitions Day.
Here's wishing everyone a happy Global Exhibitions Day.
Here's wishing everyone a happy Global Exhibitions Day.
Here's wishing everyone a happy Global Exhibitions Day.
I wish everyone a happy Global Exhibitions Day.